How to download Block Blast game on your phone. It's a very simple process and I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can head over to your App Store. Once you're on your store, tap on the search bar and search for Block Blast. You will see the Block Blast app appear in the search results with this kind of logo. Once you find the app with this kind of logo, you can tap on it. You'll be taken to this app details page. Here you can see the install button. In order to download this Block Blast app in your phone, you can select this install option. If you are on your iPhone, you will be able to see the get option. So tap on it. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you will see this kind of play button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on play. And there you go. That's how you can successfully download Block Blast app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.